Okay, this is the 40RC Crazy Stunt Hyperactive Stunt Car battery. 7.4 volt, 1300 milliamp. This is the charger for it. This comes out like that, right? I'll put it back in there. Hold on here. See if I can put this like this and get her in. Oh, it's going to be a bit tricky. There we go. Said it would be a bit tricky. Anyways, it's in. You saw the type of connector. This light here will go out when it's fully charged. It'll take anywhere from 2 hours to, I think it'll take 2 hours or 120 minutes. I charged one already, and that's about what it took. Just under that, because I think it was partially charged. Anyways, that's what that looks like. JDS Flying Canuck here. And what we have here is the 4D RC Crazy Stunt Hyperactive Stunt Car. And it's got 4-wheel drive. I'll bring this over here so I can see it too. Hopefully you can see it. 4-wheel drive. It's got 1 key deformation, double-sided driving, multi-directional, colored lights, and it's got music, and it sounds like a car too. There we go. We'll put that back up there. Here's the vehicle itself. Pretty cool looking. There's your remote. Okay, I got the set with 3 batteries, so I've got 1 on charge, which I showed you. This is the other one, and I've got 1 in here. Okay, and this remote takes 2. Take out that little screw butt right there. Right there, okay. This takes 2 AAs. Well, I might sound a little redundant, but I'm going to go over a little bit about this car, and I may go over some of the stuff I just said, but let's do her. Then we'll take her for a little spin. The distance this little gem will do is 80 to 100 meters. Its limits are in speed are 20 kilometers an hour. It has a hand remote gesture control, which I'll show you how to use. The remote control, like I showed you over here. The battery is 7.4 volt and 1300 milliamp. Charge time is 2 hours to 120 minutes. When hand remote is fully charged, red light is out. When batteries are fully charged, the LED is out. That's what I mean on the USB port, I mean, that you have to plug in. When that light is out on the USB port, they're both charged, okay? The remote takes 2 AA batteries, like I just said. The on-off switch is on the side of the car, right here. Okay, I'll turn that on in a minute. Again, 4-wheel drive, double-sided driving, multi-directional colored lights. And the music you can turn off and on. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. Okay, these are the directions it comes with, but I would basically, you'd have to have a translator or something. It's all in Chinese here, but it does show you basically what you have to do, right? If you move your hand with the gesture thing this way or that way, it shows you what will happen. Turn it this way, it's going to go in a circle. Turn it the other way, it's going to go in the other way in a circle. This here, if you raise your hand up like this, the car will raise up, push down, the car will go down. Okay, and so on here. If you go like this and you're wearing that and you go like this, the car will go forward. Go like that, the car will go backwards. Okay, so we'll put that aside. I think we'll show you what happens when you start it up. Let's go. There we go. Let's look at that, eh? The light go flashing there. Okay, so I think what we're going to do now is I'm going to set this up and we're going to take it for a little spin. Be back in a minute. Okay, I'll show you how the battery goes in here. Take out this screw. Just going to do the review and I used up the other battery, so take this out of here. You press down on these 2 thingies here and then pull. And there you go. It comes out like that. I'll put back in the other one. Like that. try to be a little patient with it. I found that the teeth in there, the connectors, are a little bent, so just try to be a little careful with them. This thing didn't cost me that much. There's some of them that are 99 bucks, right? And this one was a lot cheaper, so. Okay, try and get this battery back in there as best we can without screwing anything up. And I think I did it like this. There's how I did it, like that. Oops, I hit the switch. Turn that off again. Yeah, I was in the middle of doing the review there and thing died. Battery went. I was having too much fun beforehand getting used to it. Okay, so that's how we put it back on here. And we screw that in. Okay, we got all that going there. So you can see how nicely that's put together. Okay. Try to straighten that out a little bit too. I think you have to go back and forth a little bit like this. The other reviews aren't going to show you that, but this stays a little bent. It's not that there's anything wrong with it, it's just where it starts, okay? You'll see what I mean in a little while. Okay, why don't we try this again? Okay, we're gonna try this again. Here we go. I'm sure you can see that there. There we go. And we got our thing here. Let's turn this on and see what it's gonna do. Look at that, eh? So we will get this on. Look at that, eh? That's how it goes up. Straighten it down. There we go. Watch this. And it kicks butt. Now watch what happens when I press this. It'll go that way. Oh, now it's working the way it should. Wasn't doing that before. Pretty cool, eh? Very cool. Then you get the remotes here. You can do it to turn like, that would be like your yaw. All right. Forward, backwards. Now we'll transform it. There we go. Turn it around. Just like that, right? Back it up. Want it to go sideways a bit. The other way. See how it's starting to straighten out like I was saying there? Still goes though. Kicks butt, eh? Go like this, come back. So you get the gist of it. Pretty cool. See? Turn it around like that. Get it to go this way. Get it to go that way. Go that way. That way. This way. Pretty cool how the wheels work, eh? Oh my goodness, I think this camera was too low down. Let me see. We'll see if we get that now. Okay. You go like this. Go like that. Turn it a bit. So it's going that way like that. Go that way. Go this way. Bring it back. Show you how it goes this way or goes straight sideways. Go straight sideways. Pretty cool, eh? And yeah, you want to raise the puppy up, hit it like this, and there you go. Did it. That's pretty cool. Okay, now I'll show you the remote. Turn this off. Get the remote ready there. Okay, we're going to turn this puppy on again. There we go. And we're going to turn this on. All There we go. And we go this way, that way. Turn this way like this way like that. You see what's happening, right? So if I want to go that way, I go this way. Tilt my hand back, go that way. Go this way. Want to come this way. Want to turn. All right, you want to go this way like this. There we go. Come back this way, that way. Okay, now watch what happens here when I press this button. And now I go this way. It'll just spin. See that? Pretty cool, eh? Still go forward and backward. Except now when you go sideways, you go spin. So I hit the button again. And then it works normal, see? It's very cool, very cool. Hit the button again. You can just press it with your thumb actually. And go this way. There we go. Now I'll show you something else here too, watch. If I raise it down, I want it up. Just get it to go this way. Get it out of there first. There we go. There we go. Then you got to keep your hand stable. Raise it up. So go up, put it down. Raise it up. Put it down. Raise it up. Put it down. Okay. Raise it up. For all intents and purposes, we'll do it that way right now. So all you have to do is turn your hand this way like that to get it to spin, right? See? Back up. Turn it. You'll see here in a minute. Turn it like that. And you go that way. Turn it this way a bit. Go that way. Okay, then we'll give it the spins. That way like this way. Hit the button. Go this way. Spin like crazy. Spin like crazy. Stop it. Go like that right about there. Right? And if you go like this, see what it does? I raise it up, shake my hand, and I can turn it like this. Okay, stop it like that. Raise it up, turn it. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna turn this off. There we go. And you just walk over to it and turn it off. Is that not cool? Comes off very easy. And I put the size on there to that. Isn't that cool, eh? Very cool. Very, very cool. What do I think? Well, you're going to be obvious. I'm going to be obvious about this one. This is just loads of fun. Loads of fun. Okay? I'm going to do another ride with it when I'm outside or something, so I can go up, so I can draw this, put it down, and then flip it, and you'll see it'll drive. This thing can flip over like that, straighten out, and then drive. Still drives, so no matter what happens, if you flip it and everything, you can still get out. Unless you're jammed in between rocks and stuff like that. Anyways, I would give this 2 thumbs up. I really like it. It's a lot of fun. Again, I got the 3 battery set. I will put the link in below. I bought mine at AliExpress, and mine cost me 76 bucks. I see them with 1 battery for over 100 bucks. Okay, and there's all sorts of different brands, but this 4D RC is a good brand. You'll see that I've showed you other little small drones and a helicopter like that too, and everything. They're really, really well made. And for the price, you get a lot of bang for your buck. Anyways, I'll put this over here to show you what you get again. All this stuff here. Again, 3 batteries. One's in here, one there, one's on charge. I love all this RC stuff. Anyways, JDS Flying Canuck, over and out. Hope you enjoyed that. Fly safe, drive safe, RC safe, man. Everybody take it easy. Bye-bye.